Um, so my plants are not necessarily doing too well. So I thought I might put these ones that are struggling. I thought I might put them outside. I'm gonna put them underneath the wood outside, I think, because they're not doing incredibly well. This little thing's, still surviving, but this one on the side here is totally wilted. I didn't actually want to lose that one, so you can't really see it. But it seems to not really be doing so well. Some plants really pick up when they're outside, and this one here seems to be pretty dead. That one. But like I said, some plants pick up when they're outside, so maybe a little bit of outdoors would do it some good. Even this one could maybe go outdoors eventually, because I doubt it. The little bugs will let it go, but whatever the case, I'm thinking about putting them like outdoors. Because they aren't really doing so well indoors. Some of the plants are recovering quite well, so these new ones are growing quite well at the moment, but they just have to start drooping, and I'll put them outdoors again. I don't have so many plants left. None of them are doing especially great. These ones are still alive, managed to recover, and this one's doing okay, but it's lost all its blossoms. Not expecting it to. The leaves have picked up, but the flowers are a little weak. And this one over here, no idea how this one's going. It looks like it's struggling. I might put that one outside too, because it hasn't really started to blossom or anything. It's supposed to be a very leafy plant, but it's just, I don't know, it's just sort of there, withering in withered state. So I might put that outside for a few days, see if it can pick up any color. Yeah, so none of these plants are really doing that well. They might not like the indoors, I don't know, but I'm considering putting this little collection of plants outside. I know the leafy one seems to be doing okay, but the other two are just looking quite withered, and sometimes the fresh air does it well. This one I have no idea what it's doing, but it's still there. I could put it outside for a day. I might put all these plants outside tomorrow. See how they go. This vine is doing well though. It's climbing over everything. So at least the vine's doing okay. The leaves are picked up on that one, but that one's struggling. It's a recovered plant. It was 100% droopy, and some of the leaves picked up okay. So they just didn't really. They really hated they really hated the fertilizer I gave them to make them stronger. It made them weaker. It was a mixture of eggshells and blood and bone. It was just too strong for the plants, and the other one was wrecked. I've left that outside since yesterday because it just looks like it's not going to recover. So I put it outside today with the hope that things like the wind and stuff will help the plant to recover. But I'm not sure whether this one actually needs outdoors or what. So it's still growing, but it's not doing the best. They were doing really well, but then I fed it some fertilizer because everyone was like, oh, you gotta feed your plants fertilizer, and I did, and it wasn't any good for the plants. So yeah, Yeah, but this one looks like it's actually growing. It's not just like being knocked around. It looks like it's actually growing. So that one looks like it's on the road to recovery, but the others don't look like they're on the road to recovery at all. So, yeah. So I was thinking about putting them all outside just to maybe grow a bit more. This one definitely looks like it has longer leaves and stuff than touching the windowsill, so it's good that it's managed to recover a little bit, but like I said, that one over there is not doing so well. I'm just standing up very strong. So that's the updates with my plants. And don't ask me where these fly things come from. They must be still hibernating in the soil. But there's less plant pots to choose from, so the plants aren't doing so well.